So you have a problem. Well, we are here to help. Drums and containers are getting too cold. Inside those containers, materials are freezing and thick fluids are so cold they won't pour. To solve this problem, you need heat, but it must be reliable, rugged, and easy to use. We are BriskHeat, and we can provide the solution with our heavy-duty drum and pail heaters. These convenient container heaters are portable, rugged, and easy to use. They are always priced right and are the answer you've been searching for. With a built-in adjustable thermostat, these drum and pail heaters offer convenience and portability while being contained in an all-in-one, safe, and easy-to-use unit. The reinforced fiberglass threaded silicone rubber material makes our heaters resistant to moisture, chemicals, fatigue, and are the longest-lasting product in its class. Easy to install and safely grounded with a 6-foot power cord, this simple solution will result in problem-free drum or pail. BriskHeat has all of your heating needs to make your work flow easier.